Good morning. I'm at 319 Village Green Drive in Peters Township. A fantastic patio home. Come on inside and let me show it to you. And behind me, you can see the dining room and the kitchen. And through the kitchen is how you access the garage. This is such a great open space. It's a one-level living, plus it has a second floor, which I'll show you in a bit. But it's so nice to come in. You've got your living room, you've got your dining room, you've got your kitchen, lots of storage, laundry room right in this area. The floors are all new and in terrific condition. The paint is fresh and it's all neutral. Easy to move into this house. And it is staged beautifully. Kitchen, granite countertops, stainless, all newer appliances, steps to the laundry room, steps to the garage, which also has a ramp that makes it easy if you happen to have any kind of disability to get you in without steps. So truly one-level living. And a place that's kind of fun to cook with room for a table and chairs in it. We're in the living room of this property, and I think I want to make it clear that this house has too much space. There's just too many places to go here. Along with that huge kitchen, dining room, and this formal living room, I'm going to show you a bunch more 3 suites, a family room, so much space. Now we're in the family room. Nice big family room, floor to ceiling fireplace. So you have living room, dining room, kitchen, and this huge family room. One level living, perfect. Steps from the family room is a master bedroom suite. Wonderful big space, got your own master bath, double bowl sink, huge closet, actually 2 closets in this room, one level living. Here I am on a balcony that overlooks the family room. Second floor of this wonderful patio home. 2 bedrooms up here, and each has their own bath. So actually, this property has 3 full suites. Extra storage, skylights, really, really a great property, particularly if you're thinking about transitioning, downsizing, upsizing, just getting started. This is a great place to start with a wonderful HOA that takes care of the entire exterior of the building and your maintenance. Thank you for taking a tour with me of 319 Village Green Drive. It's such a wonderful patio home. Take a minute, look through it, find your agent, and have them bring you. Hope to see you here.